Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy honey mustard dressing. To begin, gather all your essential ingredients. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and flavorful process from start to finish. Make sure your components are fresh and of high quality for the best taste. Precise measurements are key for consistent, delicious results every time. Now, let's combine the base ingredients. Whisk together the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard until they are well blended and smooth. Then, incorporate the honey and apple cider vinegar, mixing thoroughly until everything is perfectly combined. This creates the foundational creamy texture and tangy sweetness for our dressing. To enhance the flavor profile, stir in a pinch of garlic powder. Next, season your dressing with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed. If the dressing seems too thick, add just 1 teaspoon or 2 of water until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. This step perfects the balance. Once mixed, cover your dressing and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully and deepen. Serve it with salads, grilled chicken, or as a delightful dip for your favorite snacks. For a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth*, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.